Hello guys, if you have Excel, you can pretty much maintain your stocks portfolio using Excel, and you can add filters that may not be available otherwise on other stocks portfolio websites. So I will show you very fast how you can do that. So assuming you have, say, these four stocks, just put them in an Excel spreadsheet. Just give this heading, and then going back. Next step, go to data and highlight all of those, click stocks. This will give you their sign on the stock market. So FCell, Microsoft, Tesla, AT&T. Next step, what you can do is when you have these, selected, click this guy. Just have them selected, click this guy, and then you can select a lot of these preset filters. So you can select change percentage. Next, so whether they are going up or down and what percentage. Next, you can select their week highs and week lows. Next, you can select their price. You can select their price, today's price, whatever, and you have all these filters that you can pick from. So official name, open, ticker symbol, volume, how much volume. So you can add all these values, and that way you won't have to log into your and you can of course add these headings, whatever these things are, right? Percentage change, today's price, and whatever filters I have selected. So, but the point is that you can create a separate portfolio on a spreadsheet, and it can even add previous close. So previously it was closed on this price, and today is closing on this price. So all these preset filters you can use in the spreadsheet in Excel. All you have to do is write down those stock names, and then click stocks, and then just go from there. But with this way, if you had this created on your computer, that way you won't have to log into your stocks website every day to see where you stand. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.